Turn on line right. Access to the video and famous please check
Buddy, sekarang we are going to Jakarta Cathedral and it's Monday here in Indonesia, so wala tayong mga business meeting, so we opt to check out Jakarta Cathedral and later we'll see kung anong malapit na attraction, place of attractions na pwede natin puntahan. See you! That's the Little India. Pero hindi tayo pupunta dyan, guys. Ayan. Dito tayo sa cathedral. Well, apparently, ito yung mosque nila. Katapat niyan yung yung cathedral. Pero doon yung sa kabila. That's Transjakarta. Okay. Double-decker bus nila. Tingnan yung umiikot dito. So, hello! Vlog muna tayo. Ayan. When you see halte, it means yan yung sakayan. Sakayan ng bus. Yan, double decker. I think ito yung iikot ka eh. The whole city. Pwede tayong sumakay dito. Magtanong tayo. Natatanaw na natin ang Jakarta Cathedral. Wow! Ang ganda sa labas, guys. Mukhang maipagpatintero nga lang kami sa mga sasakyan kasi parang walang stoplight or something. But that's it. That's our first agenda for today. So, across niya yung mosque. Muslim mosque, of course. Wow! So, wow! Tingnan natin from this distance, no? Yung harapan. At I'm not sure if it's open. Pero, woo! Siguro mag-picture muna kami dito sa labas, no? Okay, and yeah, balik tayo, ma'am.
Pero open
yung schedule. Dito tayo. Huwag tayo doon kasi yung mga sasakyan. Oh. Wala na mga. Alright, guys. Woo! Hello! Okay, papasok muna tayo. Salamat datang, Cathedral. Oh. Diyan malit lang yung parking space dito. Very old cathedral. Mother Teresa. The way you help heal the world is you start with your own family. Nice, true. To the cathedral. That's the Jakarta Cathedral. In person, sobrang ganda, guys. I don't know if the video can justify, pero sobrang ganda niya. Sa loob, it's dark. Yeah, the typical thing. Then yung kanilang pastoral somewhere. So the next day yung mga priest or something. So we'll try to explore. Okay, so we will be ending our trip for now. See you in our next vlog. Hey, hello. So we cut short our trip for today kasi nagbabadya na ang ulan. And therefore, bumalik na lang kami dito sa Central Park. Para malapit na kami sa aming... Malapit na kung saan. But anyway, trying kami ng another Korean restaurant here. Sabi namin hindi na kami gagastos, pero... okay, try lang namin to. Tagal na namin kasi itong naladandaan. So, review muna tayo ng pagkain.
Malaki naman, no? Kayo semua kaya mo?
Okay. Mapiyang mo ka na ng Indonesian.
Oh!
Oh. Okay, go. Mekos siya. Mekos siya, guys. Chocolate bingsu. Okay, so natapos na kami kumain sa Oju. Oju yung pangalan niya. So, order kami ng may queso ba yun? Ha? Rolling chicken. Kasi i-roll yung chicken sa cheese. So, anong verdict? Well, you can try. Kami personally, so may iba tayong preference. And we're really looking for some authentic Korean chicken. So, medyo unfortunately, it did not meet our personal standard. Okay, kasi syempre marami na tayong mga tinikmang Korean foods. So, yan. But you can try. Okay lang, you can try. So, just for the sake of trying. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching. And see you again soon.